And a major legal victory this week for women athletes at Stephen F. Austin State University. A U.S. District Court has granted a preliminary injunction effectively reinstating all women's varsity teams cut earlier this year after a Title IX lawsuit claimed the school's actions amounted to illegal discrimination. The judge ruled that financial concerns do not justify violating federal law, saying the harm done to female athletes outweighed SFA's self-imposed budget constraints. And joining us now is Arthur Bryant, lead attorney representing the athletes in this case. Arthur, thank you so much for being here tonight. Let's get right into it. This is a preliminary injunction. So what exactly does that mean for these women's teams right now?
The judge has ordered SFA to immediately reinstate all 3 teams and to preserve those teams and all other women's teams at SFA while the case proceeds. So SFA just is going to have to keep these women's teams, and ultimately it's going to have to get into compliance with Title IX, which will be a huge change to its program. It has been depriving women of equal opportunities to play varsity sports for over 20 years. That's going to stop.
And now that the judge issued this injunction, what are the next legal steps?
Well, I guess we'll see how SFA approaches it. SFA could try to appeal the decision, but I don't think it's likely to because the decision is rock solid, and I think no court of appeals is going to overturn it. And then SFA could decide to keep fighting, in which case we're ready to keep fighting because we're convinced, and the judge has already pointed, that it's in violation of federal law. Or SFA could do what we told it to do from the very start, which is put the 3 teams back and come up with a plan to get in compliance with Title IX. It's a federal law. They don't have any choice, and you can't discriminate against women just to save money. That's illegal, and that's what the school made a conscious, intentional decision to try to do.
And Arthur, we just got word that SFA will appeal this temporary reinstatement. What exactly does that mean?
I guess that means they want to keep fighting, and we'll keep fighting too. We are confident we're going to win.
Awesome. Well, Arthur Bryant, I think that's all we got for you tonight. Thank you so much again for hopping on with us this evening. Really appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.